stickers from Lolapalooza. I'm going to show y'all what I got. Yeah, was a fantastic time. We're going to talk a little bit about it too. Yeah, hang on. Hey folks, it's Papa Texas. Yeah, and I'm back. I'm back from Lolapalooza. Check it out. So, I have not opened or worn this shirt. I wore last shirts. I wore last year's shirt to Lolapalooza. I did not open this one up, but Blind Views makes these. Or he makes the design and Lola puts them together. And this one's really awesome. It was really awesome. Another thing. Okay, let's just go ahead. I'm going to show you all the stickers I got. Let's just go ahead. We're talking about them. Check it out. Blind Views. I got another one of his stickers. And on my sticker board, I'm doing something different. The video's coming out soon. All these are not going on my two huge sticker boards. I got something different for them. It's awesome. I got the idea from Lone Star Rider, which is Rex, who was out at Lolapalooza, and Strong's Adventures, Billy and Rhonda. They're doing it too. Now Papa's gonna do it. I got a completely different kind of thing going on my mail calls and stickers that come in. I gotta make all these do that. That video will be coming out. Where's that little thing going? Where's it going? Get on, Papa. That thing will be coming out soon. Soon might be in a couple of weeks, because Papa's old and he's slow. Yeah. Blind Views on Lolapalooza. He goes live. Just type in Blind Views and you'll find him. He talks about other channels and he's live every Thursday night. But why was he not live on YouTube last Thursday night? Because he was live at Lolapalooza. He showed up. He drove 22 hours each way to come out and hang out with us. He's an awesome dude. It was awesome meeting him. All right, there's some time. Blind Views. Yeah. And the people that were out there, why does it keep doing that? The people that were out there, they got a Papa Texas sticker, and most of them got a, where are we at? A Papa Texas pin with a stylus on the end. Alright, so let's keep moving on. What else we got here? Oh, Booger. I took that with me, Booger. Alright, so Harley Davidson, I took that with me too. Look, I got a pin from RV Rebel Girl. Yeah, RV Rebel Girl. She does the buzz. Google that one. Yeah. Alright, here, what do we have? Teardrop RV Travels. Official No Legs card. No legs, no problem. He was out there. I got a sticker around here. Oh, here it is right here. He gave me two. One for Maddie. Yeah, that'd be Neil. Alright, let's move on. The Dan Van. That's right. He did a seminar on his trip to Alaska. I remember last year at Lolapalooza, I've met up with him a couple times, been camping and everything else. He went to Alaska and did a seminar talking about it. Yeah. There's only 3 ways to get to that island, isn't it? You have to go watch his videos to find out about that. The Dan Van. Just put in the Dan Van. You know what, this is going to be really tough. I will put a link to all these people down below, because if you enjoy videos, you want to check these channels out. You really do. I'll put them in the order that I'm talking about them. Alright. Been camping with him many times. He travels. If you like traveling around the United States watching videos, the Dan Van. Yeah. Tell me these channels. You go over to them. Tell them Papa Texas sent you. That's the way it works. Right now we're going with Badge. Okay? I'm trying not to edit this video. I'm trying to make it short. I have no idea, and I don't really care. All right, so Badge was really awesome to meet Badge. Badge did a seminar. You know, there's no order to this. I have not seen this box since I left Lolapalooza. Badge, I'm not asking. All right, so he does repairs. He's a master crafting mechanic. And there's a video coming out shouting him out that me, him, and Rex made. That's down the road. But if you need help with anything, he's your man. He's from Canada. Don't hold that against him. All right. Oh, back to RV Rebel Girl. Check it out. Got stickers too. One for me, one for Maddie. Yeah. She was camped right on the next side next to me. She travels. Her and Danny, her little dog, does the buzz and shows you things on her travels. Don't you like travels? Camping with the Kellys. I only got one. Darn it. Camping with the Kellys on YouTube. I'm kind of new to them, but traveling the USA. They got it going on. They got a lot of people watching them. You won't see traveling again. There you go. This is my buddy. This is Peachy. Yeah. This is Peachy, Captain B. Awesome lady. She was a medvac. She flew around in a helicopter, helping people out, helping them survive. And now she's retired and she's traveling around. She was hilarious. She's a funny lady. It was awesome hanging out with you. She's the one that, if you see the video, she had all the lights going, the music and everything over her campsite. We had a blast that night. I think you had more than one night doing that. Yeah. Peachy B. Well, we need to show that. Oh, another Dan. Oh. And then I got one for me and I got one for Maddie. Nomadic Fanatic. I got to meet Eric and got to meet Jax. Yeah. Okay, so one thing that was really cool, I took the game cornhole. Okay, so we had that sucker all set up and we flipped coins for whose teams, whose, and everything else. I got stuck with Eric. Yeah. We had a competition out there. Cornhole competition. Guess what? Eric and I won. Game after game after game after game. Eric, Nomadic Fanatic, and Papa Texas are the champions. We won them all. Won them all. Yeah. This one here, Gypsy Pear. Gypsy Pear, that'd be Dennis and Debbie, out of Fort Walton, Florida. They actually got there the day before me. I stayed 12 days. They stayed 13 days. We met up every day and chit-chat and stuff. And I want to tell you what. Debbie, they kept coming over and they'd bring like a crock pot or something. Delicious food. Everything they brought over. There's one night I don't even know if I'd have ate or not, or I'd probably got a sandwich or something. But no, she brought over some cowboy beans and some sweet corn. Here you go, Papa. I ate 5 bowls of it. It was awesome. Yeah. All her food was awesome. Give me a second. Hang on. I'm back. No, I'm not. All right. They're great people. They're traveling, and you can watch their travels too. Oh, Saucy, only got one of yours? This is Saucy, the towboat chef. She makes great food. She is a chef on a towboat on rivers. One of them's the Mississippi River and everything else. And she's showing you her cooks. And the towboat parts of it are pretty cool too. But she hung out with the Strong's Adventures, who were parked right next to me. And man, at the Wing Fest, you gotta go see that video. At the Wing Fest, I'll leave a link to it in the iCard above. She made some awesome beans in a Dutch oven over Billy's swing set. She should have a video of that coming out, I hope, because I want to copy that recipe, because that stuff was awesome. Yes, it was. That'd be saucy. Yeah. Strong's Adventures? Who's that? Billy and Rhonda, my buddies. I don't know, we've met up 5-6 times this year, and we do cooking together and other things. We got another channel together. We need to work on that, don't we? That channel's just sitting there. Texla Dutch Oven Cooking channel. We're kind of ignoring it because we've been busy with our own channels and everything else. But anyway, go check out these people. They're East Texas people that live in North Louisiana. Figure that one out. Those are my buddies. Y'all know he's my buddy. Down below, you can get a t-shirt from Papa Texas. You can get a t-shirt of Papa and Billy. Yeah. All right. And they do Dutch oven cooking. Don't you like Dutch oven cooking? Yeah. Out here? Oh, Lolapalooza 2019 sticker by Blind Views. This is the picture that he drew. Isn't that so cool? And it was so awesome meeting Blind Views. It really was. Oh, badge. I didn't know if I got stickers from you or not, but I got more. Heat Seeker Bus. Heat Seeker Bus. Okay, if you've been watching the hashtag Lolapalooza videos, you saw Heat Seeker Bus. He lives in Canada. And right now he came down here and he's going over to Arizona right now. But he took a bus and converted it to be a camper. And Heat Seeker Bus, he's seeking the heat. Understand? Get it? Yeah. Go check out Pierre. Heat Seeker Bus. Alright. All the links will be down below. That's a lot of links going to be down there. Who's this? Oh, it's another Papa Texas sticker. How'd that get in there? Saucy. I do have two. I got one for me and Maddie. Sorry. Oh, and look. I was giving some of these out. These are special edition. I do not have many of them. That's myself and Maddie, my granddaughter, my oldest granddaughter that cooks with me. If you like cooking, Papa Texas has a Papa's Kitchen video. No, he doesn't. If you like cooking, hit that bell. Keep up with me. If you like, oh, look. Stupid Papa. Some people got the special edition Papa Texas and Maddie sticker. Y'all should be proud if you got one of these. If you don't know about it, I have a Papa. I have a Papa's Kitchen playlist. And I got videos in there and I'm cooking. Maddie, my granddaughter, fixing to turn 10 December 26th. Hey, you know what? It'd be really cool if y'all go down to my P.O. box and for December 26th, you can start sending them now. And if you send her a birthday card, yeah, let's do that. If you're still watching this video, send her a birthday card to my P.O. box. Just put Papa Texas in care of C.O. however you do that. Maddie, M-A-D-I. M-A-D-I. Most of y'all spell it wrong. Send her a birthday card. And you know what we'll do? We will do a video of her opening up everyone's birthday cards to her and shouting you out. Don't say the word shout out on YouTube. Yeah. Oh, check this out. Oh, we got him. This is Carol. Hike with me. This is Carol. Hike with me. Sorry about that, Carol. It was so awesome. Oh, I don't have them out here. She calls them geocache bags, I believe, and she makes them out of her old jeans, and more or less it's a purse, you know. Billy might carry one, or Rex, you know, it'd be like a man purse, you know. They might do that kind of stuff. But she made one for 2 of my 3 granddaughters. They're gonna love it. They have not seen it yet. It's in the trailer right now, but sorry, I don't have them out here. That was so awesome, Carol. I really appreciate it. You are a sweet, sweet lady. Check out her channel too. She'd be hiking in Texas. She'd be hiking in the South United States. Wow. All right, what else we got? Oh, wow. How long's this video, Papa? Bam. The old farmer's wife. This is Barb. And yes, Maddie got a sticker too. Barb, she lives in Kansas on a farm. She brought 110 eggs to the Papa Texas breakfast with Papa. And that was awesome. We actually cooked over, and I don't know how many over 150 eggs, tons of bacon and everything else. It was a blast. There's videos out there on it. I've got them, other people have them. You can go to hashtag Lolapalooza and you'll find all these videos of all these people. But Barb is awesome, and she travels around, and you can see her videos, and she cooks, or she shows stuff about her farm or canning or whatever else. You'll love her channel. All right, tell these people Papa Texas sent you. Don't forget. Where we go? What the? Oh, and we had a wing fest the night before Lolapalooza officially started. And we had some Uncle Steve shake. Papa's Kitchen, yeah. There's my logo. Here's Uncle Steve's logo. And this is Gator Shake. That's what we used for the wings. And with Saucy's beans and Chad's macaroni that he had made. I need the recipe to that. It's Papa. That was a blast. How long is this video? It's Papa Texas, back there somewhere. We'll see you. Stay blessed. Hit that bell if you want to see more stuff. You want to see mainly kitchen. It's out there, but I got other stuff too. I got a few more videos coming out soon. We're gonna do a hot sauce review challenge from Lolapalooza with a couple of YouTubers. We got Ranger Danger. I'm sorry, we got Ranger Josh going to stop by and make a video. I made a video of him trying these hot sauces. That video's coming up. The Harmon Heat hot sauce video coming up is going to be a premiere next week. That's why you want to hit this bell to pay attention, because it's going to be a premiere. The fun thing about a premiere is you come over when the video is premiering, the first time it hits, and we all just chat over on the side and have a blast. Come join us. I'll figure out when it is, and I'll try to notify y'all. The best way to keep up with me is to watch me. Yeah. Oh, and we got a video about Badge coming up too, trying to help Badge out. That's probably all the Lolapalooza videos I got coming out. All right, it's Papa Texas. See ya.